All right, class, I just wanted to post a video on the directions once again on how to set up our account on the site that we're going to be using. So if you scroll down in our modules, this housing data, you have completed the measurements, and what we're doing is the account setup. So if you click on that, there are some pretty good step-by-step directions as far as what you need to do, but I'm going to walk you through this in kind of video fashion here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this Homestyler free 3D home design. Okay. And the next thing you're going to do in this upper right hand corner, you need to click sign in. When you click sign in, it's going to ask you, right, your email and password. Since you have not created an account yet, you need to create one. So you're going to put your first name and your last name. And what I would like for you to do is use your school email address, right? So that is at students, your abss.k12.nc.us. So at students, right? And that's going to be your name, obviously, or your email, right? So use your school email address for this, all right? You can create your own password. It doesn't matter what it is. As long as you can remember it to get back in the site, you're fine. And then the last step you're going to do is create an account. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. And that way I can show you step by step what you need to do next. So all right. So now that I'm signed in and you're signed in, it's going to ask you, right, for what you want to do. So if you click on this first little dot right here, you're going to click on new version, start designing, right? And then once you do that, it's going to give you a series of questions to follow. This part may be the longest that you have to do because you got to wait for that little spinny wheel to stop. Sometimes it takes a minute or so to pull up. All right. And so on yours, since you have not used this before, right, what you're going to do is you're going to click on new design. And it doesn't matter which view you have because you can switch back and forth between the two. So we're going to click next. And these are just your mouse options. I'm going to leave them the way they are. And then once you're done, new design. Okay. And then the last step that you have to do today is you're going to go to File, Save As, and just like it tells you in Canvas, you're going to save this as the Mech home design. I'm just going to copy and paste that right here. And the last thing, make sure that you keep it as private, and then you're going to click Save. Let me put a number after mine. It's already have one created. Once you have done that and it has saved, that's it. That's all you have to do today. All right. If you have any questions, send me an email, and I will see you all in class tomorrow.